Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design a screen on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Find the screen option next to the box button at the upper side of the screen, and here select a template. Now you can edit this template. If you want to add pictures to your project, just click to the image button and go to the third option, the photo, and here you can select photos to your from your device. And if you want to change the background color, just click the color option and select another color. If you want to add text to your project, click to the add button and click to the text option. Write your text, and if you finish, just click to the done button. In the font section you can find different font type, and in the color option next to the font section you can add another color to your text, and in the shadows section you can set shadows to your project. If you want to draft, click to the doodle button and you can draft to your project. And if you want to add the objects to your screen design, click to the brush button, and here you can find different objects. For example, click to the star button and you can add stars to your screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.